Anduril Industries is an American defense technology company. It specializes in advanced autonomous systems. The company was co-founded in 2017. Palmer Luckey, Trey Stevens, and others were co-founders. Anduril aims to provide systems incorporating AI and robotics. Their primary customer is the U.S. Department of Defense. Anduril develops unmanned aerial systems. Counter-UAS technologies are also a focus. Semi-portable autonomous surveillance is another key product. They also create networked command and control software. In January 2025, Anduril announced Arsenal projects. These are hyperscale computing facilities. They aim to manufacture advanced autonomous weapon systems. The goal is to outpace near-peer rivals. The first project is called Arsenal 1. It is actively under construction. The location is near Columbus, Ohio. Anduril is working with Ohio State University on the project. The company's name comes from the Lord of the Rings. Anduril is Aragorn's sword. It means, Flame of the West, in Quenya. Palmer Luckey met Trey Stevens at a retreat in 2014. They shared an interest in defense contracts for tech startups. Stevens found it unusual that few venture-backed companies worked with the government. Palantir and SpaceX were exceptions. Founders Fund invested early in SpaceX. Stevens wanted to fund a company to join them. He found it difficult in Silicon Valley. The Department of Defense opened a Silicon Valley office in 2015. The Department of Homeland Security also opened an office there. Project Maven began in 2017. It was designed to harness AI for battlefield technology. It started with improving image recognition for drones. Stevens and his Palantir colleagues discussed a software startup. It would focus on high-technology military applications. Stevens joined the Defense Transition Team after the 2016 election. He also joined the Defense Innovation Board. Ashton Carter spearheaded this reform effort. Stevens recruited employees for Anduril. Luckey wanted to use money from selling Oculus VR. He sold Oculus VR to Facebook for $2 billion in 2014. Luckey left Facebook in March 2017. Anduril's workforce is comprised of engineers and software developers. Many employees come from the tech industry. Others have military backgrounds. Key facility locations include Costa Mesa, California, where Anduril is headquartered. The Arsenal 1 facility is in Ohio. Anduril continues to expand its operations and workforce significantly.